I think India will win this trade battle with the USA because of India's huge population of 1.48 billion people. A massive market of US companies like Apple, Amazon, Google, Walmart, Microsoft want to invest in India at any cost. I think India use this as a bargaining power. I think India need to think about United Kingdom, France, South Korea, Japan company to invest heavily their factories and give some innovative approaches due to which and advice due to which Indian worker get the knowledge and those worker will give some innovative idea or assumption. How can we improve our manufacturing factories in the field of automotive trade fair like in Pragati Maidan, New Delhi, pharmaceutical teaching and world class road in Delhi. Delhi Aero City. I think India need to think about UK, France, South Korea, Japan, and Australia. Company to invest in India, not to invest our country money in USA. India should attract investment. India should attract investment from UK, Jaguar, HSBC, France, Airbus, Renault. South Korea, Samsung, Hyundai, these countries will help India to reduce the dependency on USA. I think I sincerely think that India get an artificial intelligence manufacturing industry, so European Union invest in Madras, Delhi, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Pune, Gurgaon and Noida. Free trade agreement talk to European Union. A growing market. A growing market for machine and equipment manufacturing, artificial intelligence, and digital ties with 120 billion euro in 2025. In 2025, top Indian companies like Infosys, HCL Tech, TCL expanding to Europe and Infosys. This is the end of my video. If you like it, share it on Instagram, Google, etc. Goodbye.